Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. I hope everybody's having a great Thursday afternoon, a great week. So today I want to actually clear up a few things that we talk about a lot. Everybody knows we do central vac systems and repairs and stuff like that. So we have had some calls lately, so just for those at home, if you're watching these videos and you have questions about it, if you move into a brand new home and you don't have a central vac system already installed in that home, we are actually able to get the manpower to be able to get the whole system installed for you. So if you had a central vacuum system at your old home, you absolutely loved it, you moved into a new home and it's not already pre-installed with the pipes, we have the ability to come out, run all the pipes, all the wires, all the inlets, install the system, and get you a brand new unit from top to bottom in your brand new home. And it's a free estimate, so basically we come out, we check out the unit, or check out the home, the square footage, basically how many inlets you need, and we'd be able to get you guys an estimate or a quote on what the cost and the labor and everything would be to install that brand new unit into your home. So if you guys love central vac systems and you don't already have one pre-installed in your home, let us know. We can come out, it's a free estimate from us. We come out, we take a look at what you got and kind of give you a ballpark figure as to what it would be to get it installed. And if you are somebody that has an existing unit and it's just old and you want to update it and get a new one, I just had a lady call in, she just bought a brand new home. They have a unit in there, it's been there 20 plus years. She's missing some of the attachments and the tools, so she's not properly able to use it. So I let her know that we were able to come out, put a brand new unit in. We sell whole kits that come with the hose, whether it's a 30 foot, 35 foot, whether you need a pigtail or direct connect, with the electric one, with the electric power head, the Harbor 4 brush, all the tools, the attachments, a caddy, the hose wrap, also comes with the hanger, basically everything. So it's a one and all kit that comes with everything you need for your complete home system. So if you guys have questions, give us a call. If you need us to come out and take a look at what you got currently, or if you're looking to get something new installed, stop by our store, give us a call at 703-997-9292. You can also hit us up on social media and we can just talk to you. You just message us on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, and we can also help you out that way. So if you guys have questions, give us a shout. We're here for you 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 11 to 5. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this answered some of the questions you may have. And thank you guys for supporting local. Have a great day.